Guys, if you've watched me very long, you know I like simple, easy, fast recipes. Well, I'm going to show you about the easiest cheesecake that you'll ever bake. It's an old baked cheesecake. And honestly, it's 2 ingredients and then the pie shell and whatever topping you want to put on there. You could eat it just like this if you'd like. But we've got softened cream cheese. Guys, do you make a mess with your cream cheese? I always make a mess with something. Okay. And we also have whipped topping, Cool Whip, that has been defrosted. We are just simply going to mix these 2 things together. And most people, in all honesty, already have these at home, either in the refrigerator or freezer. Guys, that was real time. What, maybe 60 seconds or something like that? So now let's get our pie crust. Wherever I hit it at. Here, pie crust. Here, pie crust. Cameraman found the pie crust. Okay, put that over there. In all honesty, to me, the hardest thing about making this is getting the cream cheese off of that full package it was wrapped in. This is a graham cracker crust. You could use shortbread, Oreo, any type of crust that you would like, but we happen to like graham crackers, so that's what I have. Guys, in all honesty, my youngest, who's 11, loves to cook. He could do this recipe. It's so easy, I hate to even call it a recipe. Okay. Like I say, you could eat it like this, or you could put a pie filling, or chocolate chips, little mini chocolate chips, sprinkle it with cocoa, crush up Oreos, chocolate chip cookies. Any of that would be great on it. But I'm going to set this in the refrigerator and let it firm up because everything was soft and at room temperature. And I'll show you what I'm going to do with this later on. I took this out of the freezer. I know I said I was going to put it in the refrigerator, but I was trying to hurry it up and it worked. So I took it out of the freezer just a couple minutes ago and went ahead and sliced it. That first piece coming out is always fun, isn't it? Okay. Now right here is where you could have fun. You could put chocolate chips on there. You could put chocolate syrup, which is what I have right here. But I'm going to do something a little different today. In another video, I made a small batch of a strawberry pie filling. Guys, let me tell you, this stuff is amazing. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of that. And going in, of course, for a taste test. Gotta have this stuff. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Follow me on all my social medias. And guys, I'll see you on the next video.